Now friends, today we are here to discuss about the Salute State. A Salute State was princely state under the British Raj that has been granted a gun salute by the British Crown. As paramount rule, the plutocracy privilege for its ruler to be granted, originally by the
Royal Navy ship, later also on land with a number of common suit in gratitude of to salute from 3 to 21 as recognitions of the state relative status. The gun salute systems of recognition was first instituted during the time of the East India Company.
in the late 18th century and was continued under the direct crown rule from 1857-58. As with the other princely state, the salute state varies greatly in size and importance. The state of Hyderabad and Jammu and Kashmir both with 21 gun salute were each over 2 lakh kilometer square in size or slightly larger
Than the whole of Greater Britain. In 1941, Hyderabad has populations of over 16 lakh, comparable to the population of Romania at that time. In 1941, Hyderabad has population of over 1 crore 60,000
comparable to population of Romania at that time, while Jammu Kashmir had population of slightly over 4 million 9 gun respectively, and both ruled by branch of the same dynasty, were respectively 137 km square and 127 km square in size or slightly larger than the island of Jersey. In 1941, the Jangira has populations of near to 14,000, the smallest of the
salute state on the subcontinent. For a varying period of time, a number of salute states in South Asia, Afghanistan on the Indian subcontinent, Nepal, Bhutan, Sikkim, or in the Middle East, the Gulf, Trucial state, and various states in the Aden protectorates were also under the British Raj as protectorate
or protected state. As with the India principalities, those states receives varying numbers of gun salute and varied tremendously in terms of attorney. Afghanistan and Nepal were both British protected state from the foreign affairs, while protected state both enjoy attorney in the internal affairs through controls of foreign affairs was left to the British. The state under the Persian Gulf Presidencies and the Aden
Protectorate part of the Bombay Presidencies until the 1937. Ranged from Oman, a 21 gun raid sultanate under the limited protectorate to the 3 gun Trucial state which were near total protectorate. So following their independence in 1947 and a new India and Pakistan government maintained the gun salute system until the 1971 in India and 1972 in Pakistan, when the former ruling
families were officially recognized. The Aden Protectorate was transferred to the controls of the British Foreign Office in 1937 and eventually became the independent state of the South Yemen in 1967, resulting in evolutions of its salute state. And same year, just prior to Indian independence in 1947, the Persian Gulf Presidencies was likewise transferred to Foreign Office control, remaining in existence until
the Turcial state became fully independent in December 1971, forming the United Arab Emirates UAE in early 1972. So salute state and equivalents. When the ruler of the princely state arrived at the Indian capital, originally the Calcutta, former name Kolkata, then at Delhi, and this was greeted with a number of gun firing. The numbers of those consecutive gun salute changed from time to time, be
increased or reduced depending on the degree of honor which the British chose to accord to the given ruler. The number of gun salute power, a 21 gun salute, was considered the highest. The king, the queen of the United Kingdom, who until 1948 was also Emperor of India, was accorded a 101 gun salute, and 31 gun salute were used to salute the Viceroy of India. So friends, today we understand what is or what was the gun salute. So please like, share and subscribe to get continue videos in your inbox. Thanks a lot.